Hello everyone, today I will show you how to add a flash transition in DaVinci Resolve. And here's how it's done. To get started, I have added two video clips to my timeline, and I'd like to add a white flash transition between them. The easiest way to do this is by opening the Effects library, going to the toolbox, and selecting Video Transitions. Drag a transition between your two clips. To create a quicker flash, simply drag the end of the transition to shorten its duration. First, go back to the Effects library, select Generators under the toolbox, and drag Solid Color onto the track above your video clips. Next, center the solid color clip between your cuts and trim its duration to your liking. I will match the duration to my previous dissolve before deleting it, as we no longer need it. Then select the solid color clip on the timeline and go to the inspector. Click the color box, change the color to white, and hit OK. Now, let us animate the flash effect to start. Position the time marker at the beginning of the solid color clip. In the inspector, set the opacity to 0 and click the keyframe button to create a starting keyframe. Second, move the time marker to the middle of the clip and change the opacity to 100%. This will automatically create a second keyframe. Finally, move the time marker to the end of the clip and set the opacity back to 0% to create the third keyframe. And that is everything you need to know about how to add flash transition in the DaVinci Resolve. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.